Hi, good afternoon everyone. This is Tita Pinay here. I am just showing you how our place, how this area looks like during fall. As you could see, the foliage, it's like beautiful colors, and that's how it is. I hope you will enjoy looking at the colors.